Clownfish are relatively small fish, ranging from about 2 to 6 inches long depending on the species. Sea lions are opportunistic feeders, consuming fish, squid, and sometimes stealing from fishing gear. Polar bears have thick fur and fat to keep warm in freezing Arctic weather. Their fur looks white, but is actually clear and hollow. Pufferfish have 4 strong teeth fused into a beak to crush hard shells of their food. Chimeras are deep-sea fish related to sharks, but look very strange with big eyes and long tails. Dolphins are actually small whales, not fish. Dolphins have smooth, rubbery skin and usually are gray or black and white. Sperm whales produce the loudest animal-made sounds on Earth, reaching up to 230 decibels, used for echolocation and communication. Female crocodiles exhibit strong parental care by guarding nests and assisting hatchlings to water. Starfish are mostly predators or scavengers. Starfish are echinoderms with radial symmetry and the ability to regenerate lost arms. Fish are cold-blooded, meaning their body temperature changes with the environment. Small alligators hatchling eat insects, crabs, crayfish, small fish, frogs, snails, and many other small prey. Some caterpillars are venomous or brightly colored for defense against predators. Blue tangs help maintain healthy reef ecosystems by grazing algae, preventing coral suffocation. Frogs use their eyes to help swallow food by pushing it down their throat. Orcas have highly varied diets depending on their population, eating fish, seals, sea lions, penguins, and even whales. The Japanese spider crab has the longest leg span of any arthropod in the world, reaching up to 12 feet, 3.7 to 3.8 meters from claw to claw. 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are located in its arms, allowing each arm to perform tasks independently. Crocodile eyes and nostrils are positioned to stay above water, while the rest of their body remains submerged. Penguins are flightless birds adapted for swimming, using flipper-like wings to fly underwater at speeds up to 15 miles per hour. Seals have good eyesight and hearing adapted for both underwater and land environments. Male walruses are generally larger and can weigh over a ton, with Pacific males often bigger than Atlantic ones. Squids use jet propulsion by expelling water through a funnel to swim quickly, reaching speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour, 25 miles per hour. They are very smart and can solve puzzles and open jars. When scared, an octopus can squirt ink to hide and escape from predators. Unlike fish, sea turtles breathe air with lungs and can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 hours. Clownfish create communities of various clownfish with specific roles. Male clownfish, dolphins produce milk to nurse their young, despite living entirely in water. Some species of hammerhead sharks gather in large schools during the day, then hunt alone at night. Crabs live in oceans, freshwater, and some species even live on land. Some sharks, like the Greenland shark, can live for over 390 years, making them the longest living vertebrates.